Hello again, guys. We were talking about the priming, then I will show you the product I use. Halfords primer grey. I use Halfords because economically it's the best for me, and I do quite a lot of models, and then yes, it's a good product and no reaction with any of the paint I have used all over the years. Then I'm quite happy with that. The grey is the base for a majority of my models. Then I got the white for clearer parts, same use, same way, and the red for cars or for engineering part, white. Now today we don't do the priming indoors because for the fume and everything I'll do that in the workshop or the other where I got a good ventilation system. And this is going to conclude the part of the presentation of the primer, and I'll show you when all the part will be primed.